Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this, somebody sent me a file and they have a double line around here, and then some of the lines don't actually touch, but they actually do right now. Some of them aren't right there. Got two double lines. So the double line, I need to take this and go up to object and break the main apart. I don't really understand that main, what's calling a main. I've never seen that before. But I need to, this thing is 400 millimeters, so I need to set my nudge factor on 425. Grab that outside one and move it over. And then you can see why we have double line is because this is producing a line and this is producing a line. Now, by cleaning this up, you're going to lose one of these puzzle pieces, but we can fix that. You see, I'm just deleting lines, and you can see what I'm talking about. It cut out that, well, I'll just show you again. This puzzle piece right here, the outside is going to be deleted. There might be another way to do this that I can't think of right now, but I'm just going to go through here and remove these double lines and just take a second. And we've got them. Now, I say it left a puzzle piece funny, but it's a cool piece of puzzle, but you could fix that. Now you can see that our lines aren't touching. And also he's got his line set on 0.00 millimeters. Let's try this. Let's try changing this. First of all, I think most lasers recognize hairline and most lasers work on RGB. So I'm going to change this to an RGB hairline. And then this, same thing, he's got it set on 0.001 millimeters. I'm going to change it to hairline, and I'm going to go ahead and change it to a RGB hairline that most lasers I know of use. Now let's see what happens when we nudge this back. The lines are actually touching, except for that one. So we're just a little bit short on some of them. Now, if you could go around here and you could use your pan tool, zoomed in, and then grab your pan tool, which is by your, just go through and look at each joint. And if you only have one, well, this is going to take forever. Like that one right there is actually going to cut. But you could do two things. One, we could grab the shape tool and just move that line up a little bit to the middle. Or let's put that back. And I like how he's got where it won't kind of double cut. If you will take that and nudge that out of the way, go up to Effects, Contour, and just, I'm going to put it, what's funny, I'm going to put on 0.01, and it's going to change it to millimeters. I'm going to go to the inside. Now it contoured, but it's so little you can't see it. So what you have to do is actually take it and go to Object and break the contour apart, and then grab that center one and move it over. And if we look, it is 399,949. This is 400 millimeters. So this is the new one. And then nudge it over twice. And now our line should not be short. Our lines are good. I don't think there's a short one left. So that will help. Now, he drew this, he ought to know how to put that puzzle piece back, but if he doesn't, well, I know he does. But I would actually use I'd actually use a 3-point line. Now, I'm going to do this because I've already done this, and I know he's drawing in CMYK. I'm going to go to Graphic, and I'm going to draw in hairline. I'm going to go ahead and leave it black, just so we can see the difference. And then if you go from, if you use the 3-point curve line, because this does going to have a little bit of a curve, but you don't really have to, but you could put just a hair of a curve on it. Now, grab this twirl tool, and he knows how to use this, and he knows what he set it at, and you could make a new line there. And you could just do that the 8 times around. And then I think that's going to work, because I think all the other lines are touching. It was just, all he had was that he did a great job on this puzzle. I mean, this took some time. I'm really excited. I know how he did it. And you might have a few lines that might actually go over a little bit when we contoured, but that doesn't matter if it's on the outside of the puzzle. Anyway, I hope that helps him a little bit, and thank you for watching.